Hi, this is Vineet David, Assistant Professor of SNS Institutions, Brisbane. So today we are going to look into the topic of building a data-driven culture, leadership and change management. So building a data-driven culture makes people where they can follow a systematic way where the leaders are focused on their engagements well. So yes, let us jump into the topics. So, competitive advantage, improved decision making, and innovations and agility. So, yes, what is this competitive advantage? Data driven organizations are better equipped to identify trends, optimize operations, and clear and make informed strategic decisions. So, the major advantage of this data driven organizations are they very well know what to work and how to work. So, they know to keep that what trend is falling now and optimize the operation levels and make the informed strategic decision making. So the improved decision makings are basic decisions and data rather than gut instinct lead to more objectives, measurables, and effective outcomes. So this improved decision makings where make things uh, twice the thought of should be done or not done. So, innovative and agility. The data driven culture fosters a mindset of continuous improvement and adaptability to change market conditions. So, building a data driven culture is a transformative process that requires both strong leaderships and effective change management to ensure that data becomes the central to an organization decision making process. Okay. Overcoming the resistance to change. What should you overcome the resistance that should be changed? So the communications, training and support, and incentives and rewards. The communication, so they clear articulate the benefits of data driven culture and actively listen to the employees concern. So who plays the role of leadership, they should be in a stage where they should listen to their employees and they should follow what is necessary on the times. So they should be in an approachable manner the data which benefits them to ensure their performance levels, like they can make them more equipped on the basis where if it is on the database, so that we can easily identify where they're getting flaws of it. And training and support, providing the necessary tools, resources and skill development to empower employees to use the data efficiently. Okay, let me give you one sort of example. So now every time the trend is changing on the process, every place they do have their own style of trends. For example, let we take costume trends. At one point of time, people were wearing bell bottom pants or like loose shirts or like checked pattern shirts, everything. But it changed into slim fits, and it changed into pencil fits, and it changed into carrot fits, and even more. So on all these aspects, the people who are in the present used to follow the trend which is going on that sort of time. The marketers or like who is ready to sell their product or to promote their product should be on the trend. So on that point of time, they should know what is the necessary tool that should be used to analyze the current trends or to analyze the customer segmentations, everything. So they should be trained and they should be supported for the necessary needs of tools and resources which they need. They should identify it off. And incentives and rewards, so recognize and celebrate the data driven success to reinforce their desires, behaviors and mindsets. So they do fall for it. The data which is collected, it should be processed properly so that it can recognize and celebrate the data driven success that where everybody helped for it. Establishing the data-driven culture framework, governance framework. So defining the data policies, establish clear guidelines for data ownership, storage, and usage to ensure the compliance and consistencies. So, implement the data quality. So, implement the process to maintain the data accuracy, competencies, and reliability across the organizations. Manage data security. Implement the robust data security measures to protect the sensitive information and maintain the user policies. I hope you would have got some ideas and thoughts on it. So, thank you so much.